In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your blog to Google AdSense for monetization and start earning. Before you do that, you have to make sure that you already fulfilled all the requirements for Google AdSense. I already have a video on that, you can check it out. And then we're going to go to Google and search Google AdSense. I'm going to show you two methods, one for connecting a blog that is already on a custom domain. For example, this is on a domain called davimba.com, and also I will show you how to connect a blog that is on a blogspot domain if you haven't set a custom domain name yet. Then click on the first link, and if you are new to AdSense, click on get started. And if you already have an AdSense account, you can already have one for yourself and one for your business. Then just click on sign in. So let's click on get started, and then choose the email address that you want to use. Now here is what is key. Enter the domain name of your website. In this case, I'll type davimba.com, and if you wanted to add a blogspot domain, you can add that. But for example, now I'll just click I don't have a site yet, because the method I'm going to show you will be perfect if you just don't add our domain name right here. Then click on no. Maybe if you want to receive the email suggestions, you can choose whichever you want. Choose your country. Make sure you choose the country where you stay, because Google will need to verify that you are actually a person from that country. Click on I have read and accept the agreement, and click start using AdSense. And just like that, you have an AdSense account. Now you need to submit information about yourself, so click enter information, and then the account type, make sure you choose individual. Only choose business if you really have a business that is legally registered. Other than that, you will not be able to verify your account and receive payments. So just stick with individual, enter your name and address and all that. So I'm not going to fill this form because I already have an AdSense account, and if I fill this form, this account will not be accepted because I already have an AdSense account at this stage. So instead, I'm going to go to that, which is here. Now what we will do is go back to our blogger dashboard, and what we will do now, let me just refresh here so that I have access to that blog which we are setting up. This one. Now go to earnings, and then click on connect AdSense. So you see that your AdSense is connected, and now you can go back to your AdSense account, refresh, and now go to sites. You see add new site, then enter your domain name, and save. Say blogger will connect your site to AdSense, then click next. Read through this, and then you can request review. So say getting your site ready to show ads, and this usually takes from about a day to up to 2 weeks. That is how you connect a custom domain name. Now what if you don't have a custom domain name and you are using a blogger subdomain? For example, this one, what you will do is now to click on view blog so that you get the domain name, which is this one. Copy it, then come back to Google AdSense, click on new site. From the home dashboard, just go to sites, then new site, then website, enter that domain name, Don't enter the HTTPS and all that stuff. And click on save. For the same steps, click next and then request review. That is how you connect your website to AdSense, and right now the approval status is getting ready. Once you get approved, it will just turn to done and start showing ads and making money. So that's how you connect your Blogger blog to Google AdSense for monetization.